I went to bed at 12 last night. Yeah. Oh, okay. Dang, someone's already taking a shower next door to me. You know, I used to always say that, like, waking up early I could do. But when I'm getting to bed late, waking up early is so hard. Okay, I'm gonna get in the shower. And while that's happening, I'm gonna make myself some coffee. My last cup of normal coffee. Because they only gave me 3 pods. And one of them's decaf. It's so unfortunate. I overflowed it. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Oops. Another cold morning in Chicago. Let's do it. Coffee ready. Yeah, don't put me down for Chicago. Sheesh, it's cold. Hey, I was calling you just to say hi. Okay, it is 8:53, which means it's 9:53 at home in Philly. I am so exhausted right now, like, it's not even funny. Like, I feel so delirious on so many levels. So tired. There's really nothing else to say. Yeah. Do it. I'm about to just walk up the steps. I don't even feel like taking the elevator. I'm so tired. Okay. I'm eating really quickly because I'm kind of hungry. And going to bed on a hungry stomach is never something you should do if you don't have to. So, I got some of my Chipotle in the fridge. So I'm about to eat this up. And then go to bed. I feel like with this job, like, it's very easy to get sidetracked. Not really sidetracked, but like lose your focus. I feel like I'll go on autopilot and like I'll mess up because I'm on autopilot, because that's just something with the ADHD. I need to invest in some eye drops. Because these hours got me kicking, bro. Kicking. Every time I blink, it's like shards of glass. Let's go take a shower. Okay, but the sky's pretty in the morning. Got my second cup of coffee. I know it's gonna make me go to the bathroom, but whatever. Oh, man. Well, last and final day of competition. I'm about to call Haley on my way.
Oh?
Hi.
I haven't talked to you in hours.
I'm sorry I didn't call you earlier. I was just doing stuff.
I only have Rocky and Rose. Shit. And neither of them talked back to me.
God, it's so cold in the car. We are done for the competition and I am so happy. Yeah, we are done for the competition. I'm so happy. I didn't mess up too bad and I got my competition for next weekend in and I only have to do like 2 days. So that's good and I'm pretty sure I can film a little bit of the event so you guys can see what I actually have been up to and doing, because some of this stuff like the events tell us not to like post anything, blah blah blah. So that's exciting. And I'm arriving to the hotel and I'm gonna be doing some post work on the laptop and stuff. So yeah, that's what's happening. I have to catch a flight tomorrow, which means I'm an hour away from the airport, which means I have to wake up at the butt crack of dawn tomorrow, but it's fine because we're going home. Okay, so I'm running to my room real quick to get a drink and take this stuff, get back out there. Gotta do some post editing work basically, so we're gonna go discuss that. Stairwell's nice. Dude, these things are so good. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so it is 9 o'clock here, which means it's 10 o'clock back at home. I need to pack because all of my stuff is kind of everywhere right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna pack. I have my airport outfit ready to go for the morning, which I am setting an alarm for because I have to get up at like 5:30. Roll out of bed and just, yeah, do all that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to pack my backpack mainly, mostly so that when I'm in the morning and I'm rushing, I don't forget anything. because everything that I brought is somewhat important to me in some manner or way. So I also have more snacks going home, so I gotta make sure I can have room to pack for that. I'm also gonna take a shower tonight so that I don't have to worry about it tomorrow morning. Packing my shoes, you know, doing some maintenance stuff. Gotta pack the bathroom. Yeah, you already know.